All right, next is we have to find out V out, output voltage. Now, if you look at it, the negative terminal of the op-amp is connected to the input source, which means it's an inverting amplifier. It's an inverting op-amp, right? Now, we know, and I've done this so many times, for inverting amplifier, the equation for the gain is negative feedback resistor over source resistance, which is RS. The feedback resistance is that given over here, which is basically negative J 80 kilo ohm. So negative here and then negative J 80 kilo ohm, correct? The source resistance is given, that is 20 kilo ohms. Again, remember this is source resistance. So 20 kilo ohm here. Kilo ohm will cancel out. This zero will cancel out. Therefore, gain is going to be negative and negative will cancel out, become positive. Your gain is going to be J4, right? Now remember, the output voltage is gain times the input voltage. And gain being J4, if I replace this A with J4 dot V in here, and if I convert this into polar format, so let's plug in the values here. Polar 0, the imaginary part is negative, it's actually 4, bracket close, and that gives you 4, angle is 90, the theta is 90 degrees. 4 angle 90 degrees V in right here. And that's your answer. That's your V out. Pretty simple. And again, like I mentioned earlier, I've done this many times. A equals to negative RF over RS. I'll leave the link in the description as well.